Okay, so our box starts out empty, and I'm going to call that having a state of 1.
Okay.
Just, it's one state, it's empty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What can happen? What are the things that can happen when we flip a coin?
Well, you could get an even or an odd.
Okay, how would you want to add that into a diagram?
You could have, like, you could maybe draw some lines.
Okay.
Then
And how would you describe the putting one even in
Well,
and one odd in?
I could call even state 2, and odd state 3.
Okay. How many even states are there?
Well,
like
there's only
this?
one even. Maybe I should say 1 again, because there's only one state you can have evens, and only one state you can have odds.
Okay. Awesome.
And then,
Let your brother go to the next one. What can happen next?
Well, now you can make it goes again, so you have another 1 because this only has evens in it.
Okay.
Another 1, but then these 2 stages go together, and well, it's a different stage because you have evens and odds.
Okay.
Maybe we should call it stage 2.
well,
Yeah.
another reason you could call it 2 was, so you could have, there's a bunch, so you have 3 balls in here, in this row, right? Or, no, only 2 balls.
2, yeah.
So, for this middle stage, you can have this, or that.
Yeah, in fact, let's even put the 2 ones in. So for this one, what can you have?
Just this, the
Okay.
even.
Even. And how about for this one over here?
And
Odd,
that's
odd.
just odd.
Okay.
But this one you could have 2 possibilities. What you could have.
Yeah, and how does this one here, this odd even, correspond to a path in our little diagram
Well,
here?
You went odd, and then you went in the even direction. Or you
Okay.
could start at even and go in the odd
All right,
direction.
are these the evens or are these the odds?
Oh,
These
those
are
are
the
the odds.
These are the odds.
So-
So this one goes.
So this one goes even and odd.
So you're doing this one first.
Yeah,
So
then
maybe
odd, even.
Okay.
even is the left is the even direction and the right is the odd direction.
Okay. Yeah, let's just decide. Do you want to be left even or right even?
Let's do left even.
Okay. So this path, even then odd, which one would you say that is?
Well, it's a mix.
Of these 2 choices?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one
So
would you say?
even, odd. I'd call it this one. So this is the first one you pick,
And
the
this
second
is
one
the
you
second.
pick.
Okay. And what about this one?
And
This
that's odd, even.
Okay. And so we would like to say in this bucket we have 1 odd and 1 even, but there were 2 ways to get them. And what happens at the next stage of our little diagram here?
Let's see. You go down another in the even direction.
There's only one way to get all evens.
Okay.
And then you go these 2 stages mix, so you have even, odd. And that's even, odd. So what we do? It's a new stage now.
Yeah. So you said one of the ones down here is even, odd.
Even, odd, and then
Well, then you could have even, odd, even.
even, odd, even, and maybe odd, even.
Ah.
Maybe you could call this stage 3.
Okay.
Because maybe the 2 and 1. Because you have 2 ways to get this stage and 1 way to get that stage. So when they combine, you have 3
Interesting.
ways. This is starting to look like Pascal's triangle.
Aha.
Interesting. How does it have a relation to Pascal's triangle?
Good question. What if it is going to have a relationship to Pascal's triangle? What should that number be there?
3.
3.
It's symmetry of this.
And what is
same
it?
thing.
This is how many odds do we have here?
We have
2 odds.
2 odds and
2 odds and 1 even.
okay.
And we can make even, odd, even. We can make odd, even, odd. And we can make odd, even.
Interesting.
We can make even, odd.
Okay. And what about the last stage over here?
And that's just all
The one.
odds.
Odd. 1.
Interesting. Okay. So this is our little building up an urn by coin flips. And we get Pascal's triangle, which is,
Surprising.
that's quite a surprise. Pascal's triangle sure seems to show up in a lot of places, doesn't it?
Yeah. I reserved 2. Now this.
Yeah. Now this. Okay. Now let's talk about Polio's urn because it's a little bit different process.
Okay.
All right.